Unlock the most comprehensive statistical analysis from the Pslm dashboard powered by Gallup Pakistan. One of the unique features of the Pslm dashboard is the GIS mapping for each indicator. The first dashboard of its kind to provide district-level GIS mapping of Pslm indicators. The Pslm dashboard contains 6 indicators: ICT indicators, food insecurity experience scale, housing characteristics, education, women in decision-making and health. To use the dashboard, simply click on an indicator to view the subcategories. Then, click on a subcategory to view the full dashboard for that subcategory. You can filter the data in each dashboard by gender, age range, region, province, Gallup region, and district. Each visualization in the dashboard has a focus mode icon, which you can click to view the visualization in more detail. To view the GIS map for an indicator, simply click on the GIS Map tab. The map will show the prevalence of the indicator in each district and province in Pakistan. The Gallup Pakistan Pslm dashboard is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to understand the socio-economic challenges and opportunities facing Pakistan. It is easy to use, interactive, making it a powerful tool for data-driven decision-making. Try Pslm dashboard today.